Innovations for Defense Excellence, IDEX. With a vision to make the country self-reliant and self-sufficient on defense through the philosophy of identify, incubate, innovate, integrate and indigenize futuristic defense technologies, the Honorable Prime Minister of India launched the Innovations for Defense Excellence IDEX under the aegis of the Department of Defense Production during DIF Expo in 2018. In a span of 3 years from inception, IDEX has now emerged into a pan-national ecosystem to catalyze indigenous innovation and self-reliance in defense technologies. Under 38 innovation challenges issued by Indian military and DPSUs in 4 editions of Defense India Startup Challenges, from over 1,500 applications from startups and MSMEs, more than 50 winners referred to as IDEX startups have been selected. They are offered innovation grants of up to rupees 1.5 crore each under the Spark 1 scheme of the Defense Innovation Organization, DIO, exclusively to transform India's landscape of defense technologies and innovations. DIO, in partnership with 9 top incubators of the country, is actively supporting and nurturing startups towards rapidly realizing the products developed for Indian military and DPSUs. Recently, the Honorable Raksha Mantri has approved a budget of rupees 498.8 crore for the next 5 years to support over 300 startups and foster innovation in defense and aerospace sectors. IDEX now features as a procurement avenue under the Defense Acquisition Procedure, DAP 2020. The ministry has earmarked a total of rupees 1,000 crore for domestic procurement through IDEX initiative for the financial year 2021-2022.
Ministry of Defence has planned to channelize about rupees 1,000 crore during 2021-22 for procurement from IDEX startups.
In continuation to realize the vision, IDEX is now launching the 5th edition of the Defense India Startup Challenge. A total of 35 challenges from the 3 defense services and 6 defense PSUs are identified, cutting across several advanced technology domains, including artificial intelligence, machine learning, augmented and virtual reality, material science, nanotechnology, etc. Snippets from the respected Chief of Defence Staff and chiefs from Indian Defence Services sharing their leadership views on IDEX.
So as we launch the 5th Defence India Startup Challenge, let us encourage all young and bright sparks of India to put their minds together to solve the fresh set of problem statements posed by the defence services. The underlying endeavour is to make our country self-reliant in the field of defence, which we are sure will achieve with our combined efforts. Jai Hind.
IDEX has been successful in creating an ecosystem in which startups, MSMEs, individual innovators, R&D institutes and academia have been able to connect and collaborate with the Indian defence establishment, thereby enabling co-creation and co-innovation. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Happy to see IDEX successfully entering the 5th round of Defence India Startup Challenge. It will provide more challenges and opportunities to the promising young minds and entrepreneurs to showcase their potential and become part of a growing, broad-based defence ecosystem. Jai Hind.
And IDEX has been infusing the requisite thrust in this endeavour. I am also confident that the 5th edition of DISC will further broaden the innovation base for Indian defence industry and deliver quality results in mandated timelines. Thank you.
Inviting startups, MSME, individual innovators, research and academic professionals to apply. Selected applicants will get grants up to 1.5 crores along with the opportunity to co-create and co-develop the defense technologies of future with our armed forces. Besides the grant, selected winners receive product and business acceleration support from IDEX partner incubators. access to defense facilities for QA and certification. Applications are open at idex.gov.in. Innovations for Defense Excellence, IDEX.